morning and welcome back. We are just over halfway through our significant rain event. Been going on now 4 days, 5 days, then we've got another 3 days to go, and I'm going down to a tree that I've been meaning to get rid of for easily a year, but the year just got away from us and I didn't have a chance to take it down. It was leaning really badly, and I was always a little bit nervous, sort of if I was mowing or on the tractor going past it, because they, these trees can let go at any minute. Anyway, let's let go. But unfortunately, it's come down. I wanted to take it down a bit at a time, climb up, take some of the top out, because it's sort of 8-9 meters, maybe more. Anyway, it's come down, impacted I think 2 of the jackfruit trees that we've got, broken a couple of branches. Yeah. So now it's probably safer that I'm not climbing an 8-9 meter tree, but it's just a bit frustrating that it's damaged some of our fruit trees. But hey ho, it is what it is. So the plan is now cut it up, spread it around. What's too big to put in amongst the rows of trellis, we'll make a pile and later on the year we'll burn it. Just go and have a look at it, see where we're at. Trying to get out between the rain showers that we're having. Drizzle, yeah, I'm just carrying on. When it's torrential, yeah, I've got to give up. And that's a good thing about having this side by side with the roof, because at least if it does come down heavy, and it can come really quickly, 1 minute it's fine, the next minute you just hear this noise in the distance and bump, it hits you. So at least I can have my chainsaw and what have you undercover if it does become torrential. Anyway, let's go and look at the mess. So as you can see here, the root ball let go, and I would say most likely a lot of this is really down to the fact that the ground is just sodden. We did have a squall come through that was like blowing the trees one way or another, and probably just slowly loosened the root system. Yeah, and it went over. Hence why, incidentally, we keep our trees short. I've no doubt there's some people that have got pretty big trees that they might have lost, fruit trees that is, that they might have lost some fruit trees. I mean, heard a couple of chainsaws going this morning, so we're not the only ones to have had a tree come down. Okay, well that's my battery, but don't forget the chainsaw. That's my battery gone flat, so put that on charge. So we got a break in the rain. It's the following day. Going to have to start and clear this up, get it out the way. I think we worked it out. We ended up over the last sort of 4 days or so, 610 millimeters we had. So that's touch over 18 inches, I would say. So the ground is absolutely sodden. So let's clear off. I've got my little helper there behind the camera to pile everything up. You're right there, little helper.
That'll be me. I'm the little helper.
It's your day off from work, isn't it?
Yes. Supposedly.